Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now, and you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now, and you suck right now. Yeah, you thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah, girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Yeah, always been daddy's little angel. I bought you that a bunch.
Hey everyone, I'm coming to you today with another review on this hair. It's some hair from Aliexpress that I was sent in the deep Brazilian body wave. This is a deep wave type of hair. It's from Aliexpress. It took about 3 to 4 days to get here. No, 3 days to get here. I have the inches 24, 24, and a 22, and a 20. Yeah, 20. 4 bundles. And I used all of the 4 bundles except for one. Hold on, let me hold on. Except for like a little piece. I think it's over here in my disc hair. And as you can see, the hair is really pretty. The wefts are constructed super nice. They're constructed really nice. Well, my hair keeps sweating, but it's all good. So yeah, I bleached the hair. I did the VW2 bleach. Left it on there. I only did the tips of the hair. That's the only part I did, is only did the tips. I did the VW2 bleach. I got the big tub for $8 at my local resupply. I left it on there for a good 5 to 10 minutes, and I washed it off. And I did a tourial booster on the ends, and I just sewed it on a wig using a spandex zone cap. The hair took the bleach really good. I was so surprised that I thought it was going to shed and burn. Took the bleach and the color and the booster really good. It took only a couple of minutes for real, like I left the booster like 45 minutes. So it took color very good. And I washed it, and the curl pattern came right back. So this curl pattern wakes up super good. I'm not for sure how good it straightens because I haven't straightened yet. But I wore this hair downtown with my friends. We were makeup shopping downtown, and I had tons and tons of compliments and questions on how on this hair and how did I get this color. So this hair is so pretty. It was virgin because when I washed it, it was no bleeding nor no dyeing. So the hair was virgin. It has a lot of bounce and shake to it. I just love it. It has a lot of bounce and shake. I haven't really got tangling from it that much. A little tangling, you know, this is a very deep wave kind of curly type of hair, and I really haven't gotten any type of tangling. I haven't gotten much shedding. When I was watching it, I probably got like 3 strands of shedding. It was a countable amount, so I really did not get that much shedding. They reached out to me by email. Very sweet, very nice. They were super nice. You know, I gotta get that customer service. They're very nice. But I love this hair. This hair is like so pretty. See, it is so pretty. Like, I'm sorry, my lighting sucks. It just got super dark. I wonder if it's going to, but it's super pretty. Like the curl pattern on this hair waves right back up. And how I sleep on it is I just do a bantu knot. I twist them like this into 2, put a bantu knot, and sorry. Do not try to detangle this hair or comb out the waves while the hair is dry. Try to comb it out when it's wet with a big wide tooth comb. That's what I did. So these curls are kind of combed out because that's how I like my hair. But I do have pictures of it when it's not combed out, so I will put all of that at the end. I just got a strand actually. So medium to low shedding. It has a really nice luster to it. So far, I'm happy with this hair. I have no problems with it. I really like them down below. Make sure you check them out. I will put the name down below because I cannot pronounce. It's like Longqi Virgin Hair Company. So I will link everything down below. I will put their name and everything. This hair is super dope. Check them out. It's very good summer hair and it takes color very well. So thank you guys for watching, and again, like, comment, subscribe, and bye.
You thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you're stuck right now. Yeah. You thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Yeah. Always been daddy's little angel. I bought your dad a bunch of shit for Christmas, he ain't even say thank you. I had no money left from acting, I was focused on the music. I used to always try and burn your CDs and my new shit. You be like, who's this? I be like, me, girl. You be like, oh, word, true shit. Then ask if we can listen to Ludacris. And car rides made me feel like I was losing it. Yeah, made me feel like I ain't have it like that. I was average like that. Place that I should have been. You ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you're stuck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you're stuck right now. Yeah. You thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Yeah. You ain't really fuck with me way back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you're stuck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you're stuck right now. Yeah. You thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now?